Hello everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to another design team project for Not Too Shabby Shop. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'm going to be creating this cute little cacti card using the Hero Arts Cactus Animals stamp set. This is absolutely adorable. Of course, the little cat cactus sold me on this stamp set. So I thought I would get out my colored pencils for this card. I have the 36 pack of the Prismacolor pencils. The majority of this video is going to be coloring the images. I used a very light green for the first layer. It's almost like a lime green, or I think the color is actually called Chartreuse. So it's a really bright, fun cactus color in my opinion. So I'm blending out the colored pencils. If I say pencil crowns, it's because that's what we call them here in Canada, but I know most of the rest of the world calls them colored pencils. So I may use that term interchangeably, but I'm using Gamsol, which is a blending solution, with my paper stumps to blend in the color. And the trick with pencil crowns is to do very light layers. And the wonderful thing about Gamsol is there's no drying time. You can go over it however many times you want until you get the desired color and blending that you want for the look of your images. So I'm adding a bit of shading to the bottom of the cacti, both the cat and the little turtle one, and then where there are the lines in the image which would show that there's a little bit of an indentation in the cacti. So I thought I would bring in a little bit of an aqua color just to give some dimension to the cacti, and I really like how that looks with the light green. You may have noticed there that I also used a medium tone of a green before adding the aqua color as well. So just going to keep blending that, bringing in extra layers of the colors until I get the variation in color that I'm looking for. I absolutely love this little cat cactus. It's so cute. I mean, how creative. I love this stamp set. I think Hero Arts did a really good job creating something fun and unique with this stamp set. So for the turtle portion of the image, I used the same medium colored green that I used in the cacti, and then I brought in a bit of a darker green because I didn't want it to look the same as the cacti. So for the pot and the flower, I thought I'd do like a really pretty, it's kind of like a magenta, pinky, purplish color. And I like the way this color really pops out against the greens. So I'm just adding some shading there. I used two different colors for the magenta color, and then I wanted to bring it in on the pot for the turtle cactus as well. So I did that with the middle portion. And then I had also added a little bit of brown in the cacti. You could barely see it, but it's enough to give it a little bit of a dimensional color. So I brought that brown back. I was trying to stick to just a very simple color palette, not introducing too many colors. I'm going to use the same browns to add some grounding. So the pots are sitting on some ground outside perhaps. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment, which I absolutely love. It says cacti plus cactu equals cactus. Genius, love it, adorable. So I'm going to use my wonky stitched die. This is from MFT, and I'm going to cut out the panel with that, and then I'm using some of this gorgeous bright pink heart paper from Sunny Studios. I will link all the products below if you're interested. And I cut out the center just because I didn't want to waste the paper, and I knew that you were only going to see the top edge of the pink peeking out. But I thought this framed the card really nicely. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye.